What's up, guys? Uh, Wasala here. Said that I was gonna be consistent with posting content trading wise, on my YouTube. So this is me being honest. So as you can see, I have made a live trade. Uh, I'm shorting Nasdaq up until this point here, but I'm gonna keep on analyzing the chart with you guys. I've already did my analysis on the previous chart. But let's do it here rather fresh and clean. Also again. So this is the London session. I beat this trade in the London session just now. Uh, Still in a kind of like loss, floating in the stop loss right now. But yeah, two trades a day. That's all. So as we can see this thing here, right? Starting from last week, this was our higher low, right? Not a higher low, our lower low, better to say. This was our lower low. This was our lower high. Just trying to bring it up to speed. I'm not gonna do the whole thingy. All right. So as you can see here, this was our lower low, lower high. Price, as you can see, this one here came up, broke outside. Another one came up, broke outside. This resulting into our high, right? Our high of the market, right? Fairly sharp. Price went down, but didn't come back to this low here, right? To this low here. Okay. So yeah, came back up, broke this area high, same shit, didn't come back, didn't come passing past this low here, making it passing this lower low here again, right? So and then the market stalled past this area, making it a high, stalled up again. This price passed here, resulting this into a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, and a higher high. So here's how it was done. And also the market did a pump and dump last week. It was pumping for the day, pumping for another day, dumping for a day, pumping for another day. So sort of like creating a zigzag. It wasn't continuous in a sense. Bam, right. And then looking at the candlestick anatomy here, price did not what? Didn't break. Only this candle here, right? This candle here. Quarter to six, South African Standard Time, 13th of March on Thursday, came and broke out. Chillaxed here, making it a low, right? Making it a low. Price again came back down, broke this area again, making this a lower low. Okay, fade, right? Then how did I come up? How did I come up with the suggestion or the idea that looking for sales, stuff like that on this time frame, on this account, right? Since it's a 15-minute time frame. Well, let's run over around here. Following the market structure, uh, this is the higher high, right? The previous structure. Price yet again came up, played around this area, as you could see, and it stalled. So you can imagine from 5:30 South African Standard Time, price stalled, consolidated a bit, broke the support that it had here, right? 50% of the candle, more than 50% of the candle closed outside, and then it's at the start of where it was consolidating. So it could be the support turning into resistance, we don't know. But I'll just scroll down to a lower time frame on the 1 minute to show why I took the short. Right. Usually I trade the New York session, not the London session. I'm trading Nasdaq because it only makes sense because it's a US instrument, So usually when this happens, New York session attacks the highs of the session, right? So I'm gonna start doing that also after doing this. So currently this is the high of the Asian session. Asian session high, then Asian session low. This area right here. So at this current moment, London, it's kind of decisive, whether it should go take out the Asian high and continue going up or take the Asian low, determining the market, manipulating it or whatever, you know. Um, I don't like reacting. I don't like predicting. I just love reacting, and then I've just reacted here. So I don't know what it's going to do. Those who do ICT, they say it might uh, go down. Those who do, yeah, ICT said would be this would be like an order block, yada 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 yada, or a fair value gap, yada yada yada, and then we continue going up. Right now I'm in a loss. I'm on a tight stop loss also again. So if it hits it, it hits it. Done with London session for the day, actually for the week, because I'm not really a London session type of guy. Usually during the day, I just do my own things. So let me move down to a smaller time frame. Okay. Also, what made me take this trade was from here. Was from here. So price also breakdown, right? That it broke down again from here, resulting during the Asian session. Came, chilled, chilled, chilled. Then I come in, put in my Fibonacci, right? Check it on the 15-minute time frame. And what do we see? We see a rejection, evening star, right? Evening star that we see, and also there's a what's this? There's a berry shooting star also. So it can be between the two. So it can be between the two of these things. Uh, but 32.8 berry shooting star and a evening star also. So that's why I did made my entry during the London session, and did 8.2 bearish, no evening star, breakout of its structure here also. Right, breakout of structure here and retest and breakout again. Bam, and yeah, that's my whole ideology for this trade. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated on the next diggy. For now, let me just. I've been a loss for now. I'll post a profit if it does go to profit. I'll post a loss if it does also go to the loss. It will be a short. So, yeah.